You might want to learn how to download Flickr app. Don't know how to do it? Well, in that case, I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. Without any delay, let's get back into the video. So to download Flickr app, all you have to do is go to your App Store or Play Store just like me. Now, tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Flickr app and then search for this particular app. As you get onto the section, you'll get an option of install on the top right corner. Tap on install here and then wait until the app gets installed completely. After the app is completely installed, tap on open option on the bottom right corner. So here, now you can tap on get started on the bottom and then start to keep your email address or even create a new account if you haven't done it yet. So this is how you do it. This is how you download Flickr app. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.